Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Over the weekend, I was talking to an old Italian friend of mine who's recently visited London with her family for the first time in many years. And she was telling me how shocked she was to see the sorry state of central London. She couldn't believe how grubby, how dirty it was in places, how much homelessness there was, how much open drug dealing there was, and just generally how rammed with people it was. As I told her, none of this is news to me. And in fact, I think the only saving grace of central London is its green spaces, places like Soho Square and Golden Square, where you can go to get away from it all a little bit. If you call one thing the saving grace of another thing, you basically mean it's the one good quality that this thing or this person possesses that stops it from being completely bad. So you might, for example, buy a swanky new phone, and even though it's very, very expensive, you might still say, yeah, it was crazy expensive, but its saving grace is the fact that it's so user-friendly. It's so easy to use. Sometimes you read this phrase in book reviews or film reviews. So you might see a terrible review of a new film that still says that the film's only saving grace was the exceptional cinematography. You sometimes see it used in the plural as well. So you might say, yeah, she can be quite a difficult person to get on with, but one of her saving graces is her wicked sense of humour. And even terrible human beings like Boris Johnson, a man who's done more than almost anybody to destroy democracy in the United Kingdom, has saving graces. In fact, Johnson's sole saving grace so far has been his support for Ukraine in its hour of need. Personally, I think that's support driven by a desire to deflect attention away from his many Russian links. But still, it's conclusive proof that even terrible people can occasionally do good things. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use saving grace.